welcome to this short tutorial. Now we're going to show you how to import Jira Users into Jira Service Management Asset Management Solution. This is done easily by using Integrations Hub for Jira. You can see right now on my screen I have an asset schema selected. It shows me the computer, some person, some table, two thingy. And now we want to create a Jira user object type and import all the Jira users into that. And to do that, we will head over to the apps and navigate to an app called Integrations Hub for Jira. So we go here. I have already the Integrations Hub for Jira installed, so you can see it from here. You click here, you come to a starting page, click on integrations. On the integration, you can see everything that you have integrated to. You can enable and disable them. Right now, I have a lot of them disabled. This is not only for assets, it's also for any other system. If we hover the three dots, we can click on Wizard. If I click Wizard, the Wizard dialog pops up, and I can select the Jira Service Management Asset Imports. And from here, there's one asset import tutorial available, and we are building more as we speak. Clicking the asset Jira user import. Then we come to the page where we have to set up the credential to basically read the users from the Jira database. I already have this selected or created for me, so I'll just select the store one, but you can easily just create the new one, enter your email and the path token. If you're not familiar with the path token, you can navigate to this one. Enter existing again, click in the next one, brings us to the import configuration. From here, I just select which object or which asset schema I want to import into. Let's select the employee schema that we were in before. You can enter the import source name and the object type name. For now, I keep the default as is. I click here. We can now see that we can select the schedule. For me, this is fine. It can run. Let's run this on a couple more things. Maybe we want to run this for the demo example every 5 minutes instead. And let's change this to star. So every 5 minutes it's gonna run, and we click the create button. This goes into the summary page where it actually now is creating the asset import. Once it's finalized, you will get the link down here to the asset import flow. So this will be basically where it integrates. I click that, it takes me to the flow. I can see we have some description of it. We can see there's a trigger, it's a schedule one, and we can see that it's doing a lot of things for importing. If right now, I think it doesn't have, it has not yet run, so it's running on every 5 minutes. And if I head over to the asset schema instead, so let's take this one and then over to assets, employee, and I go into the schema configuration under import. I can now see that it's created a Jira user import. It's yet disabled and it's no mapping. So this means that the schedule has not yet run. We can now see the execution log and that the import has gone through. It basically sent a through request. Everything looks fine, 200K. If I head back to the object schema and refresh this page and click on import again, we can see that it now has a mapping created with a Jira user. All attributes are there. We have an object type called a Jira user. And then we can also see the read history here, that it's 44 users created in this instance. If I head over to the employee database and click on this one, I can see there's an object type called Jira Users. Inside that Jira user list, we can see all the Jira users available at this instance. We can also see details, other things, and we can filter around it. So that's conclude this tutorial. Please try it out. Go to Marketplace, install the integrations hub for Jira. Under the apps, find apps. Integrations hub for Jira. Click on that and install it. Once it's installed, you get it down here under integrations hub section, and you can click on that and you can start creating integrations from it. Thank you for listening, and have a nice day.